Hi there, Chris here. Who else would it be? So we got Suki and we got Doug in the audience, and I like me these Kryptonites. Kryptonite. So this is one in the pack. Quit moving it. Okay. No wonder people hate me. High security 6-pin brass cylinder. Resist picking. Dual steel ball locking mechanism. Changeable keyway. Kryptonite. So this is a American company. People ask me all the time, and I just go, huh? I didn't really know, but now we know. And what does that says? Always weatherproof, Kryptonite. So they make a ton of bicycle locks, but I like their padlocks the best. So I have this one in the pack, which I think I'm just going to throw back in the drawer. And then I have this, a smaller square one. He's a cool one. I really like him. And then I just got this. This is an S00033518459. Yeah. So what that means is, well, let's find out what that means. This just came. Well, maybe it means nothing if I can't get it out. Usually I had trouble picking them, not getting them out of the package. Okay. Well, look at there. It's kind of red orangey. And this is the Kryptonite Messenger collection. Ooh. And it's very heavy. So I thought I'd try and pick this. Let's see if it works before we go any further. Now, I was thinking, we haven't seen Skull Picker for a while. Where is that guy? Kind of miss his shenanigans. Skull Picker, if you're out there watching, hey, say hey. Oh, here's bidding on the key. I like to show the bidding on the key. Nice bidding. Ooh, a vicious snap. So big I have trouble keeping it in frame. Is this thing zoomed in? Is that my problem? No, I don't think so. That's regular. Okay. So like I say, that's the bidding on the key. Let's see if we can get in here. Top of the keyway with a universal tension wrench, I think. I'm gonna move this so I can rest this down here. Come on. All right, let's see. See if we can get some sets. Minute core movement. Little click. That was like 3, I think. Losing my wrench. Okay. I got a small false set going here. Some counter. Counter. Deeper false set. Counter on 2, I think. Got it. I think we're good with 1. Oops, fell off. Don't seem to be able to lift it high enough. Some counter here. And we were able to get it open. That was pretty quick, actually. So let's look inside. Okay, it has a Phillips. And I have a Phillips. Ooh, I might need my pliers here. Pliers assist. Oh boy. I won't go into my rant. They don't need to be that tight. It's the Loctite that holds them. You frickin' idiots. Oh. Okay, are we out? Part of it's out. Okay, little screw. That's that, that's that. It's pretty thick. I think that's thicker than a Merkin's. There's our little core. All right, we'll put old Crypto right there. And let's take our pin off, whatever you call this. Go to there and come to here. Still in frame. Yeah, we're a skull picker. All right. Now find me a key. That's good bidding. I'd be liking that. All right, and a chim. Chim, chim, chim. Don't screw it up. We don't want no bricks. I like the color on this one, I have to say. I like the green color too. That's not gonna go anywhere. If I had a small one, that would be better. Okay, here we go. Running through the garden, as my buddy says. Ooh, and there's all the flowers. They're all different colors. Okay, so, ooh, some nastiness in there. Did everybody need to be picked? Boom, 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 boom. Yes. Everybody needed to be picked. See if there's any wafers in here. 1, 2, 3. Oh boy, one of these days I'll do it perfectly and shock everybody. Now if I had tweezers, these ones right here in your face, these have serrations on them. All right, let's get this green one out. Okay, let's get the last one out. 6, 5, and 3. Didn't really want to come. Okay, so they're all serrated. Oh, maybe not the green one. No, he's too short for it to come into play, so they don't do that, which makes sense. All right, I'll show you a close-up later if you're nice. Okay, we're going to start in the back. So in the back we have spoolage. Come here. And then we have another spoolage in 5. 4 is spoolage. 3 is spoolage. And 3 is a different spring. 3 is a steel. So let's get these out. Oh, maybe not. It's just a different hue. All right. So we're going to go in. We're going to take and get numero uno, just steel. Standard. Numero dos is spoolage. So 1 standard and 5 spools, and I guess the springs are all the same. We're going to look. Oh, see, it looks different. All right, let's hold this up. Nothing up here. Oh, did we see in here? Did they do anything in here? I don't know. Let's poke it. No, that would be negatory. All right, get this out of the way. Don't drop it. So number 3 spring does look different. Oh gosh. I hesitate to use this magnet because yeah, it is. It jumped right on there. Probably sucked my pacemaker right out of me. Actually, I don't have a pacemaker. I have good pace. It's the brain that's gone. Okay, so, ow. So let's go close again because I didn't really show them all. So we have a steel serrated in 1, a serrated in 2, no standard in 3, serrated in 4, serrated in 5, and a steel one serrated in 6. 6 spool, 5, 4, 3, 2. All those are spools, and then this 1 standard, and it doesn't have any little guys on it. So that is your Kryptonite messenger collection. And this be him, Jim. These look like chain links. If you're a bicycle fan, you'd get that. And they have these little chains along there. Anyway, that was a cool pick. Wonderful lock. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, hit the don't like, leave a comment. Happy 4th of July tomorrow. What time is it? Oh, the clock stopped. It's probably about 3 o'clock Thursday afternoon. So here in Southern California, so tomorrow is 4th of July. Anyway, be safe, sane, and be well. See you next time.